Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage. Today we are working on the 67 Mustang Coupe restoration, and today's dedicated video is going to be all about ACP leaf spring shackles. If you're about to go through a restoration or just a general repair on stuff that's wore out on your classic Mustang, ordering the right part that fits can be overwhelming. So let me try and help you out with that. ACP, All Classic Parts, has been manufacturing reproduction parts for these classic Mustangs and other Fords for 35 years. We've been installing their parts on our client cars since we started back in 2018. I can tell you that they fit, they're high quality, they stand behind their product, and what more could you ask for? So whether it's suspension, steering, radiators, engine brackets, oil pans, interior stuff, you'll probably be surprised as to how many things they're manufacturing. Jump on their website, check them out. I highly recommend ACP parts for your nice daily driving cruiser that you're building or just trying to keep on the road and out of the garage. So sometimes it's all about the little things. When it comes to little things, I love these ACP parts. I use these on most of our client cars, especially if they're just kind of like nice cruiser driver cars and they just kind of need a refresh on suspension and steering and whatnot. So ACP does sell shackles that are very, very good reproductions. I do like to, on this side, that's the tight side, I do like to kind of put this in with it at first. And the other trick that I like to do is just use a little bit of rubbing alcohol on this, because rubbing alcohol will dry and evaporate. It'll evaporate really fast. Okay, and you just kind of put a little bit on there like that, slip it in place, and it just like literally goes right in. If you try to put that bushing in dry, you can get it in there, it just fights you a little bit more. So and these rubber bushings, they kind of have a little bit of a film on there to begin with, so the alcohol kind of cleans it a little bit, and then also acts as a little lubricant to go right in. Got that one in all the way. Okay, same deal. Let's get a little bit of alcohol on there. We got our leaf springs ready to rock and roll here. You just kind of bolt it up in there and just kind of let it all loose, so you can just kind of easily pivot your leaf spring like that. Does it look cool coming right at the camera? It does. Okay. So, get a little bit of that on there. Boom, that's in like that. And now, we're gonna bring this up into place like so. There we go. You got two nuts, one for each side. Bam and bam. Wow, there's a leaf spring with a shackle. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of snug it down just a little bit. We don't go full torque on these things because you don't want to torque it until all the weight is down on the ground. So I mean, I'm talking full axle underneath this car, and it has some kind of weight to it, because this shackle is going to pivot, and where you lock it down, it's going to kind of hinder the stance and its ability to do what it's meant to do. So I just kind of snug them down till the stud is just kind of flush with the nut right there. So we'll do that for both the lower and the upper. just tight enough, and we'll do a full torque later when the car's weighted and on the ground. And torque specifications you can get from your service book, which I highly recommend you get. Okay, just another little tidbit about why ACP shackles are better than most standard shackles. The studs are staggered, okay? I've seen other shackles where both studs will be top and bottom on one side, and then you'll just have like a flat plate on the other. And so the challenge comes into play when you're on this side and it's just like way too tight, and then like you're trying to fish both of these in at the same time. And then over on this side, I mean, you got a little bit more room, but it's nice when you're staggered. Like here, I'll show you like this. You can just kind of like just go right up in there like that, okay? But it's nice to have the extra room on the bottom to be able to just hook it in there like that, no problem. So, okay, we're back over on the right-hand side. So to touch again on the staggered studs on the ACP shackles, just imagine there's a stud sticking out here on the bottom piece, and you're going to get your leaf spring up in. So now if there's a stud there, you have to like literally walk this thing around to get it over the stud, and you're just fighting it. So now, instead of like having to fight and work this stud, you can put your lower shackle in and just raise it right up, and in the studs and holes you go, just like that. Cool. I like it when things are simple. Sometimes it's all about the little things, man, and just makes your life so much easier. Okay, I'm just gonna snug this up like before, and we're not gonna torque it all the way down. We're just snugging them up because, you know, we have a lot of work left to do. But again, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow us along. Those little things do go a long way when it comes to us making more videos, which are hopefully helpful for you guys. And there will be links in the description as far as where you can get these ACP shackles. Okay, thanks.